Welcome! If you've ever blocked someone from commenting on your Instagram posts but now want to give them another chance, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple, updated steps to unblock someone from commenting on Instagram. Let's get started. First, make sure your Instagram app is up to date for the best experience. Open the Instagram app on your device and log in if you haven't already. Once you're on your main feed, look to the bottom right corner of the screen and tap your profile icon. This will take you straight to your profile page. Next, focus your attention on the top right corner. You'll see a 3-line menu icon, often called the hamburger menu. Tap on that to open up a list of options. Scroll down through the menu until you find the option labeled Comments. Tap on Comments to access all the settings related to how people interact with your posts. Within the Comments section, you'll see an option that says Block Comments From. Tap on this, and you'll see a list of accounts you've previously blocked from commenting on your posts. Now, find the specific account you want to unblock. Next to their username, you'll see an Unblock button. Tap Unblock, and just like that, the person will be able to comment on your posts again. That's it. You've successfully unblocked someone from commenting on your Instagram posts. Remember, you're always in control of your experience on Instagram. If you ever need to block or unblock someone again, just follow these steps. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.